In this video, we will learn how to find locus of a complex number. For this, we will discuss two examples. First one is find the locus of the complex number z is equal to x plus iota y such that mod of z is equal to 2. For this, let's consider a set S which is equal to all complex numbers z such that mod of z is equal to 2. We can write it as, since z is a complex number and we know that we can write a complex number as xy or x plus iota y, so we replace it with the ordered pair xy which also represent the complex number z such that, and we know that mod of z is equal to square root x square plus y square, so we will replace this value with mod of z and it will be square root x square plus y square is equal to 2, and it is equal to xy such that when we will square both sides of this expression we will get x square plus y square is equal to 4, and we cannot simplify it further, so it is the locus of the complex number z which satisfies the condition mod of z is equal to 2. Here the locus of z represents a circle which center is origin or 0 0 and its radius is 2. In second example, we have to find the locus of the complex number z such that for a fixed point z1 is equal to x1 plus iota y1 mod of z minus z1 is equal to a. The locus of z satisfying mod of z minus z1 equal to a is the set S which is equal to z such that mod of z minus z1 is equal to a. We know that a complex number z can be written as the ordered pair xy or x plus iota y. So we will write S as xy replacing the value of z such that mod of z is equal to x plus iota y minus z1 which is equal to x1 plus iota y1 equal to a, which is equal to xy. Now we will rearrange the values of z and z1 and we will get mod of x minus x1 plus iota y minus y1 which is equal to a, which is equal to xy. Now we will take the mod of this complex number and we will get square root, and under square root there will be the square of the real part of the complex number which is x minus x1 plus square of the imaginary part of this complex number which is y minus y1 square equal to a. We can write it as xy such that now if we take the square of this expression we get x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to a square, which is a circle whose center is at z1 is equal to x1 y1. This is the center of the circle having radius a. So this is the required locus of the complex number z is equal to x plus iota y such that for a fixed point z1 is equal to x1 plus iota y1 which satisfies the condition that mod of z minus z1 is equal to a. This is the required answer.